Good evening all, welcome to yet another episode of Saja's Designer Boutique. Those who are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe our channel, do press the bell icon to get all our updates. We are located in Mohesana 4 opposite to Dunes Hotel Apartment. Our WhatsApp number is 052-7367-418 and our landline number is 04283-4040. So today I have come up with 4 beauties just behind me. So these are beautiful party wear salwars and 2 gowns I am going to show you today. So let me start with the first salwar, the one which I am wearing. It's a turmeric yellow, which is really a very beautiful shade. It is having a work on the yoke portion, and the most highlight of this salwar is the dupatta. The dupatta is a very soft, lightweight, pure chiffon, which is having a 4-sided work border, and all over the dupatta you can see like there is small thread work with a small sequence work all over the body of the dupatta. Actually the highlight of this salwar is the dupatta, and it is having a pushback santoon bottom of the same shade. So we have actually 2 more shades in the same salwar. So you can wear this as a semi party wear also. Moving on to the next one, which is a very rare shade also, that is a dark onion shade, which is having a kardana work on the neck. You can see a shining kardana work all over the neck, and on the yoke portion you can see few French notes along with few kardana works and few notings all over the yoke portion. Actually there is the yoke portion is very simple, and the most highlight of this salwar is the dupatta. It is having a 4-side border, a very rich 4-side border, and there is a notings and small tikki works given all over the dupatta, which makes the salwar very heavy, and it makes it looks very simple and elegant. And there is the work also in the sleeves. There is a small borderline given in the sleeves also with 3 flowers and a small noting all over the sleeves. In the bottom line also there is a small work done in the bottom of the salwar. The top there is a small kardana work and again few notings given. Moving on to the next salwar of the same one, the one which we have seen is a mustard onion shade, and it is a very rare shade which is a pale, it's a combination of pale blue and a grey combination. Again it is having a kardana work all over the neck portion, and the yoke there is a few works in the yoke with the notings, and again the highlight is the dupatta. So we have different sizes available, and you can just WhatsApp, and we do have cash on facility available. You can WhatsApp us in the below number. So these are the 3 shades of the same salwar. To the next one, it's a long gown. It's a long gown with a combination of mehendi green and maroon combination. In the yoke portion you can see there is a few notings in maroon shade and kardana works all over the yoke portion and the neckline, and even in the dupatta is having work in the side with the notings and kardana work. And in the sleeve of the salwar also there is in the gown there is a small work notings given in maroon shade. The body of the gown is also having small kardana works and notings. This one you can wear it for a evening party. It will give a very elegant look. The combination is really pretty one with the mehendi green and maroon combination. Next is a turquoise shade, and it is having antique gold work on the yoke portion, and the dupatta is very heavy with a heavy border, which is having an antique work on the 4 sides of the dupatta, and it's in pure georgette fabric. And the sleeve also, there is a work, there is a border. You can say this is like a peacock shade actually. It's very beautiful shade, and there is moreover work in below portion of the top. It's a very beautiful and a very rare shade. We have 4 more beauties dressed up in a very rare shades. So let's look into it. This is a very beautiful gown which is in a Russian green. In the yoke portion there is a notings in a light pista green and a dark shade of it with kardana work all around the neck portion, and it is having a dupatta which is a net one, which is having embroidery work in the 4 sides and all over the dupatta. There is thread works with the golden sequence work also in between to highlight those threads. And in the body part of the gown, there is a small kardana works all over the, there's a spread work, it's like a spread work all over the gown, and it's a very beautiful one. In the flare also there is work done. In the flare also there is the kardana and small bead works on the flare also. It's a very rare shade. Next is a chiku shade. It is also having a work on the neck portion. Again, it's the same work spreaded in the neck. There is small sadozi work and small notings with a darker shade of the chiku, and it is also having a very beautiful dupatta, which is a net one, which is having a full embroidery work, and it is also having small sequence work all over the body of this dupatta. And in the flare also there is work on the flares. There is a stone spread and a kardana spread all over the top. It's a very beautiful and elegant, very lightweight party wear gowns, which you can, it's like when you are saying party wear, like we can reuse it whenever we want. It's not very heavy. Next is the grey shade, which is having bead work and small notings. Again, it's just the same one, just only the color is different, and it is having, the dupatta is the most highlight of these gowns. The dupatta is a very beautiful netted one with embroidery work all over the dupatta, and it's very lightweight, and it's having 4-side border. Even you can pair this dupatta with any of your salwars or any plain kurtas if you have a black or a red or a maroon shade. It's a very beautiful one. The 3 shades are really beautiful. The one which I showed you first, the Russian green, then the chiku, and the grey shade. But we have one more shade which is really very elegant one. So let's move on to the last piece. beautiful chocolate shade which is having a work on the yoke portion. It really looks very pretty one in this chocolate shade. It is having a very light peach shade of thread works and knotings and kardana work all over the yoke portion. As I told you, the most attractive is the dupatta. The dupatta is a net one with an embroidery work all over the dupatta. It's really a very beautiful shade, and it is having a work in the flare also. You can see below in the flare there is bottom, there is a work done. It's very light and simple, elegant stone spread done in the bottom part of the gown, which gives a very elegant look for the gown. All these gowns can be used for an evening party. We do have all the matching accessories matching to these gowns available in our shop. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching Setas.